Splitforce order number 2 for the year, end of February. Just got this in. So I still have one more SF1320 over at the commercial address, so I gotta go over and get that. But I did manage to get the other ones back here and all lined up spiffy. So we'll drop this towable and then go on back over for one more 1320. All right, just got back with the second black SF1320. I'm gonna leave this one on the trailer because I have a feeling I'll be doing a delivery with it. But what I wanted to show you, again, was just some in-stock stuff that we've got here. We have a Halverson 120 on the right, a 150 with a hydraulically adjustable wedge there on the left. We've got an 1824 diesel machine, extended deck, auto cycle, fast split, positive stop, fold over the top conveyor, tandem axle, sawdust chute, all the bells and whistles. It's a 21 with about 650 hours on it. Again, 1824 gas, pretty much the same machine, auto cycle, fast split, last log holder, positive stop, regular straight conveyor on this one though, and the 38 horsepower Kohler. And what else do we have around here? Log lift bags like usual, a muddy mess. My 1824 diesel. Oh, here it is. This is the 2024 auto cycle fast split, commercial splitter, log lift, hydraulic wedge. Like I said, auto cycle fast split, oil cooler, upgraded Honda motor on this one. It is the GX630. Electric start, solid axle, highway tires, all that kind of good stuff. And then the main attraction, the whole Splitforce lineup that we have here. This is the wide towable version. Wow, it's 50 degrees and a moth just flew by. Okay, sure. So 72-inch wide torsion axle, log lift. Unlike the last one that was here, other than this one's red and the other one was black, we went ahead and did an electric start on this. It is an 11 horsepower, hence the 11 there. Really nice unit. 2-inch ball, safety chains. This is a self-propelled, no conveyor SF9, 9 being the 9 horsepower. The one next to it is brand spanking new right off the trailer. It is an SF11 with no conveyor, but still the self-propelled. And we did go ahead and do the electric start on this one as well. It's just one of those things, you know, you're kind of going to get into this caliber of splitters. You might as well just spend the extra money and really make it nice and put the electric start on stuff. And also, because of the electric start, we went ahead and did the LED light package on all of them because they are all electric start. And then that brings me to the SF1116, done up in Kubota orange, just in case you have a lot of Kubota stuff around and wanted your OCD disorder, like I say it should be CDO, that way it's alphabetically correct if you're going to really do this. And 16-foot conveyor, Teflon pads, log lift. Got a pressure gauge here so you can kind of see what's going on. Again, electric start here on the Honda. And I did this one also with the reversible conveyor. That's the control there. And then your speed control. We normally run these around like a 3 or a 4. There's no reason to make a whole bunch of noises. That thing's chattering going by. Oil filter. Steering axle. Big hydraulic tank. I think they've all actually got the same hydraulic tank. It's just a matter of where they... No, that one's a little bit bigger, I guess. Sorry. But that is in the all the way up position, just so you can kind of see what that looks like there. Then right next to it is our Battleship Gray 1316, and I do that because it is the upgraded 13 horsepower motor. And we do the 13 horsepower motor because of the hydraulic oil cooler. Really nice commercial unit. Going to put out a lot of cordage every year, longer run times, and keeping that hydraulic oil cool. Again, inline hydraulic filter, electric start, speed control, reversible conveyor, pressure gauge, log lift. I do have to take the bolt out and drop all these. LED package, Teflon pads in the 16-foot conveyor. Step back here. Then the black one is a 1320. Again, Teflon pads, log lift, reversible conveyor. There's the control for that. Pressure gauge. The speed control for the conveyor. Honda electric start, oil filter, oil cooler, great big long conveyor on this one. You know, it didn't really dawn on me to throw an LED package on the towable one, but again, you're going to have an electric start and a battery, so you will have that as an option. And it's running right about 6:30 here, but just want to show you a quick picture here with the lights on. Pretty neat. Get a nice throw up on the conveyor so you can see, you know, where everything's kind of coming out with the light from up on top there. Nice bright work area. Pretty cool. Definitely come in handy around these parts in December when it's dark at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But there you have it, SF1320, 1316, 1116, SF11, SF9, and an SF11 towable with the wide axle. All right, YouTube, so I have a tremendous amount of firewood equipment here in stock, so please allow me to earn your business with either a sales quote, or you can just call me direct. It's 833 Splitter. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. We are located right in Dallas, Pennsylvania. It's the zip code is 18612, just a little bit west of Wilkes-Barre and Scranton, right off of 81. So kind of nested right up here in the Northeast. Not too far, about an hour south of Binghamton, about 2 hours north of Harrisburg. Jersey's just over to the east here. It's not a bad ride. We've got folks that drive in here all the time from different locations. So And I'll give you the nickel tour here around the wood yard. Maybe fire up one of the big machines and really bust out some, you know, good demo time on a processor if you wanted to see that. Or we'll throw some wood up here on one of the Splitforce rather, and go from there. But for now, give me a phone call, shoot me an email. Would love to talk to you about anything that we have here on the wood yard, whether it's brute force, Splitforce, or Halverson. And I also forgot my log loader trailers over on the other side too. So lots of things to see and do, but give us a phone call. Would love to meet you here, make an appointment, and do a demo, or you can just pick up and take it home. So 833-SPLITTER and sales@shaverequipment.com. And remember, we're always working hard to be lazy. And do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.